Today let's make this banana leaf wrapped mustard paste smoothened Bhetki fish. As I am waiting for a long time to make this recipe and upload in my channel. Moreover, to get this recipe done, I need few things which is really very hard to get in Hyderabad. However, I managed to make first of all to cut the Bhetki fish in fillet and to get the banana leaf. Though by chance I got everything together and finally sharing this recipe with you all. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Minda. So let's begin today a special and delicious Bhetki Paturi, a Bengali dish. So now the ingredients are yogurt, freshly grated coconut, green chilies, mustard seed, poppy seed, salt, turmeric powder, mustard oil, and with that our fish fillet. Over here I am using bhetki or sea bass cut it into big size pieces. Next, wash the fish properly, then into it add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it properly and marinate it for 5 to 8 minutes before cooking further. Over here I am using 8 to 10 pieces of bhetki fish or sea bass and which are cut it into thick slices. Now on the other side, take 1 tablespoon of mustard seed and 2 tablespoons of poppy seed. Make a fine paste with the help of a mixer grinder. After that, skip it on one side, and now we will make a paste. For that, in a bowl add 100 grams of freshly grated coconut. Next add the poppy seed paste and the mustard seed paste. With that, we need to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, salt as per your taste, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder for the color. Now finally add 1 teaspoon of yogurt, though this is optional. If you don't want, you can ignore it. But adding this yogurt, you get a nice taste, or it enhances the entire paturi taste. Now mix everything well with your hand so that it well combined and mix well. Now whatever is needed for this recipe, everything is ready. Next, if you are making an individual parcel, take a banana leaf sheet in front of you. Spoon some of the mustard marinade paste in the center of one of the sheet the way I am showing you over here. Set one piece of fish fillet on it, top off with some more of the paste, and then finally top off with a slit green chili and drizzle of raw mustard oil. Finally, carefully you need to wrap the fish with the banana leaf, making sure that it is fully covered. If you found that your leaf is torn, wrap another layer of leaf around it. Tie this parcel up securely with a cotton string. If you don't have, you can use a toothpick like the way I have shown you over here. And like this, you have to finish with the entire fish fillet. Once it is done, then place this banana leaf onto a heated pan with 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Fry them in a very low flame for 5 to 10 minutes until the fish are soft enough from inside. Though you need to flip the banana leaf parcel for 1 to 2 times so that it can be cooked properly from all the sides. Another thing I just want to mention, if you don't want to fry it, you can also steam it, and you can also use some other fish which doesn't have any bone into it. All taste just lovely. The fish cooked in the banana leaf is delectable and flavorful. The mustard paste is just as sharp and pungent. The fragrance of the banana leaf as ethereal. Now our fish paturi is almost done. It's time to remove it from the pan and serve it in a serving plate. You can have this with steamed rice, pulao of your choice. So finally, our fish paturi is ready to serve. So why I am waiting? I am so hungry while seeing this video. Let me go quickly and grab this fish paturi and enjoy my meal in today's afternoon. And so those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy summer, and let me enjoy my meal with this fish paturi. See you again. Bye bye.